Did you know what is web development? Web development, also known as website development, it refers to the tasks associated with creating, building, and maintaining websites and web applications that run online on a browser. It may, however, also include web design, web programming, and database management. There are 6 topmost benefits of web development. First, the pay, salary. Second, evergreen industry. Third, self-learning. Fourth, interesting domain. Fifth, work for yourself. 6. Improve your UI or UX skills.